Happy February, everyone. Welcome back to my studio. I am Julie E. This is Art by Julie E. And today we're working with alcohol inks. And what I'm doing is I'm working on a piece of 5x7 Yupo by Legion. And I just put one drop of, it's called Ranger Gumball. And it's a really pretty pink, and that's the only color I'm using. And in that little bottle there that I've got in my hand is a mixture of alcohol, and it's got a couple drops of Pinata Brass and Pinata Bright Gold mixed together in a bunch of alcohol. And I'm using that as what I'm putting down to move my ink color, and just gently blowing out little blossoms out of the drop. So first I go around with my little puffer around that dot, and then I dry out the dot. Then I go in and I put down one little drop of that alcohol and metallics mixture and just gently puff it out to form the petal. And here I'm using alcohol on a Q-tip to clean up some of the edges, soften the edges, remove anything that I don't care for. And soon you should be seeing a little bit of a real-time video showing exactly what it's like and just the gentle puffs and everything. Here we go. So there, I'm going around drying it out so that it doesn't keep spreading. So now if you watch, I'm going around and I'm making sure that dot is almost completely dry. And I should mention a lot of the weird hand gestures and everything that you're going to be seeing. I started this on a live show called Artapalooza over on the Artist Haven channel. And it's a group kind of art panel where we all different artists get together and we live art together while we chat. And so that's why you'll see the hand movements and strange gesturing, and sometimes there's little pauses, but I tried to edit most of that stuff out. But yeah, just gentle puffs with that little puffer. And then once it's dry, go back in, add another little drop. Now, if you don't have a little puffer like this one that I got from Ranger, you can use an airbrush. I find them harder to control, but if you know your airbrush, go ahead and use just the air portion of the airbrush for that. You can also use, like if you got one of those little mini blow dryers and you're more comfortable with that, you know how to handle that and know the airflow really well from that, you can use that too. But I just really enjoy using this little puffer, this little hand puffer. So, towards the end, once I get my flower petals all in place, we're going to go in and embellish, and we're going to be using markers. Those markers are alcohol ink markers. Mine are not Copic, but you can get Copic markers if you like. They work really great. I just couldn't afford them. So I have a different brand, but they work really well. And if you can't find ones that you can afford on Amazon or something, guess what? Sharpies work. Sharpies are an alcohol ink. And you'll see how I use those markers. Well, not the Sharpies, but Sharpies will do this. How I use those markers towards the end of the video. And so yeah, more cleanup with the alcohol and the cotton swabs, and we just keep going from there. So I will let you finish watching, and yeah, let me know what you think. If you enjoy it, if you like it, give me a comment, give me a thumbs up. I hope you subscribe. I want to thank all my new subscribers. Oh my gosh, we hit over 2,500 subscribers. I'm so happy. Thank you all so much for that. I do appreciate it. What else? Oh, we have a great train too. If you haven't checked out Mina already or Brian, please go check them out. After me, I think we've got Anuka. We might have Kelly from Feral Art, and then of course the wonderful Nate Bright closing up the show later this afternoon. So please check my description for all of the links. They'll be in there. And I'll see you at the end.
Another day, I'm back on my feet, so I win again. Roses are so sweet, the scent is all around my head. bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me
And there you have it. Couple coats of Kumar, couple coats of UV gloss varnish, and matte board it, and it's all set and ready to go. I really hope you enjoyed this. I hope you give alcohol inks a try. Let's all head over to Kelly's at Feral Art, and until next time, loves and hugs y'all. Bye!